In this short tutorial, I will show you how to reset Face ID on your iPhone. Face ID is a convenient feature on the iPhone that allows you to unlock your device and authenticate purchases using facial recognition. However, there may be instances where you want to reset your Face ID due to various reasons or if it's not working properly. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone and then scroll down until you see an option called Face ID and Passcode. Tap on it. Now enter the passcode that you used to unlock your device. After that, scroll down a little bit, and you'll see the Reset Face ID option. Go ahead and tap Reset Face ID, and it will do exactly that. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.